Now, dear student, continuous of this chapter, our next topic is Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama, a native of Portugal. From which nation the Vasco da Gama? The Vasco da Gama, a native of Portugal, discovered the sea route to the India. Now, here one question is also asked that who discovered the sea route to the India? Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to the India. He encircled the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa and reached the port of Calicut. Now, what happened, the dear student? Here, he encircled the Cape of Good Hope in the South Africa and reached the port of Calicut. On which date? On 22nd May 1498, after the crossing of the Indian Ocean. After the crossing of Indian Ocean, the ruling king of Calicut. Now, what happened then? The ruling king of Calicut is a Jamorino gave the permission to the Portuguese to trade. Now, who gave the permission to the Portuguese to trade? The king Jamorin gave the Portuguese to trade permission into the India. The Portuguese established a fort in Calicut for the trade in 1500 CE. Now, what happened there? Now, Portuguese established their fort in Calicut for the trading in 1500 CE. They fortified it and appointed a commander in chief. Now, what happened there? They fortified it and appoint one chief. The name of that chief is Albuquerque. Now, what was the name of their chief? The name of the chief of Portuguese he appointed is Albuquerque. To safeguard the fort moving northward, Albuquerque conquered Goa in 1506. Now, what happened there? Moving to the north direction, Albuquerque conquered, it means they have to attack into the Goa and control the Goa under the Portuguese in 1506 CE. Within a span of the 100 years, Portuguese took control of Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai and the island of the Lanka. Now, what happened then? Now, Portuguese took control within the 100 year of them into the Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai and the island of the Lanka. Now, our next topic is end of the Portuguese rule. Now, what are the reasons why the Portuguese rule was end into the India? In the beginning of the 17th century, the Portuguese expanded their trade to the Bengal. Now, what happened there? To the beginning of 17th century, Portuguese expand their trade into the Bengal. At this time, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan ruled into the India from Delhi. Now, who ruled into the India from Delhi? Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan ruled into the India from Delhi. The Subedar of Bengal. Now, what happened there? The Subedar of the Bengal complained to the Shah Jahan about the behavior of the Portuguese. Now, what happened there? Subedar of the Bengal complained to the Shah Jahan about the behavior of the Portuguese. Thus, the fort of the Hooghly was demolished and the ships were burned as per the order of the Emperor Shah Jahan. That's why what happened there? Shah Jahan gave the order, and that's why the fort of the Hooghly was completely destroyed and the ships were also the burned in the order of the Emperor Shah Jahan of the Portuguese. In this way, the Portuguese rule came to the end with the exception of the territories of Diu, Daman and Goa. After the Portuguese, who was came to the India? The Dutch people. The Dutch. After the 100 years of arrival of the Portuguese at the end of the 16th century, the Dutch of the Holland, now the Netherlands, came to the India. It means after the Portuguese 100 year of the arrival of the Portuguese, the end of the 16th century, the Dutch of the Holland, now currently as a Netherlands, came to the India for the purpose of the trading. Initially, they established the port at Pulicat. Now Dutch people also established their fort at the Pulicat and the Madras. Now presently, where the Madras presently now in Chennai. They also established trading center at Agra in the year 1663. It means Dutch also established the trading center in the Agra in which year? In 1663. Meanwhile, the British also arrived into the India, and the Dutch could not withstand the competition against the British. Now what happened there? The Dutch could not withstand to the competition against the British